First, take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Copy it to the down 4 time. Select all the circle, move it to the left side, and this time copy to the right 10 times more. Select all circle again, go to the object, and group it. Then go to the Windows panel, and click on Symbol. Then click on Create on a new symbol. Now delete the circle, and create a rectangular shape. Select the rectangle, go to Effect, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, and click on Revolve Classic option. From here, first click on Map Art, then tick mark the Geometry option and then click on this arrow. From the Symbol option, we will input our symbol. We will rotate the circle a bit. Then press OK, and play with this option. Increase the perspective. After all of that, we will go to the Map Art again, and click on this option. Go to Object and expand it. Now they are separated shape, now let's make letter M. This looks perfect. With this method you can create any letter, just try it on your own. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.